In today's competitive business landscape, entrepreneurs are constantly seeking new and innovative ways to generate leads. As we approach 2023, it's essential to stay ahead of the curve and create content that resonates with your target audience. In this video, we'll explore the best content types that you should consider focusing on to generate leads in 2023. First, let's talk about video content. Video has become a powerful tool in capturing the attention of potential customers. By creating engaging and informative videos, you can showcase your expertise, demonstrate your products or services, and build trust with your audience. In 2023, consider focusing on short-form video content, such as explainer videos or video testimonials, to effectively convey your message and generate leads. Next, podcasts have gained immense popularity in recent years, and this trend is expected to continue. By hosting or participating in podcasts, you can share valuable insights, engage in thought-provoking discussions, and connect with your target audience on a deeper level. Consider creating a podcast series that addresses the pain points and interests of your potential customers, positioning yourself as a trusted resource in your industry. Interactive content is another excellent way to generate leads in 2023. This type of content encourages user participation, making it highly engaging and memorable. Examples of interactive content include quizzes, polls, and interactive infographics. By incorporating interactive elements into your content strategy, you can collect valuable data about your audience while providing them with a unique and enjoyable experience. Lastly, don't underestimate the power of high-quality, long-form written content. In-depth articles, case studies, and white papers can showcase your expertise and provide valuable information to your audience. By consistently producing well-researched, informative content, you can establish yourself as an authority in your field and attract potential customers who are looking for solutions to their problems. In conclusion, as we approach 2023, it's crucial to adapt your content strategy to stay ahead of the competition and generate leads. By focusing on video content, podcasts, interactive content, and long-form written content, you can effectively engage with your target audience and drive results for your business. Remember, the key to success is creating content that resonates with your audience and addresses their needs, so always keep their interests at the forefront of your content creation efforts.